This is how I use digital mock-ups to create the perfect plus-size silhouette for my cosplays. As a short, plus-size cosplayer, I always battle with silhouette. I focus on changing each costume design so that I feel comfortable and confident. To start, I make digital sketches of what the silhouette is going to look like. I took pictures of myself in my favorite bra and yoga shorts, then traced the rough outline to make my base. Starting with the undergarments, I work my way up through the layers. I like to check my reference and inspiration materials as I go. Once I'm done, the next step is to either drape a mock-up or to find patterns online that I can modify.